author Arthur Brooks. He formerly ran the Conservative American Enterprise Institute. He gave a talk at SEEK, which is a conference of Catholic missionaries. And it was in that context that he said that, quote unquote, it's not your job to win arguments, it's to win a soul. And Brooks noted that persuasion is part of that, but it kind of raises the question for conservatives politically too. What do we mean by persuasion? What do we mean by the word argument? Do we think of it in a negative way? Do we think of argument as two people yelling at each other? Or do we think of it classically, rhetorically, a debate, a discussion of competing ideas in order to change one's view or change one's vote? And ultimately to change a heart or a change of mind, because doing so religiously may apply just as much politically, because how we view ourselves to the world, how we view society and our responsibilities to one another can be just as much a political question as a religious one. Sometimes conservatives read negative news headlines and we get discouraged and we see something that may seem obvious and we think that a political conversion by osmosis will occur with other people. For better or worse, persuasion and argumentation, those terms should not be considered dirty words. Conservatives need to boldly persuade, to encounter those, to argue in the sense of trying to change people's minds for the better. And in order to do that, sometimes we may have to talk to those who are a little hostile to our views. But we must be bold and unafraid in voicing our convictions. Only then do we have a chance to change hearts and minds.